In this quick video, we're going to show how to export end-to-end encrypted Facebook Messenger messages. And we're going to use the program Decipher Messenger Export to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is get a data download of our end-to-end encrypted Facebook Messenger messages from the Facebook website. Well, from the Messenger website. So I have messenger.com open right now. And I'm going to click on my name in the lower left corner. And under that menu, I'm going to choose Privacy and Safety. And then I'm going to click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. And then I'm going to click on Message Storage because we're going to download those end-to-end encrypted messages from the Facebook Secure Storage. From the Message Storage menu, I'm going to click Download Secure Storage Data, which will download my end-to-end encrypted messages. Now in the Secure Storage download page, I'm going to click Download File to download the JSON file of all of my end-to-end encrypted messages. You might be prompted for your password to allow you to download the file. I'm going to click Download to confirm. Depending on how many end-to-end encrypted messages you have, this page may take a while to generate the JSON file for you to download. And while it's generating the file, you'll see this button grayed out saying requesting file. And it's perfectly normal for it to take several minutes to download the JSON file, well, to generate the JSON file on Facebook's servers if you have a lot of messages. So just be patient and wait and leave this window open. And once it finishes generating the JSON file on the server, the file download will start. Now that we have the messages.zip file downloaded from Messenger Secure Storage, we are going to run Decipher Messenger Export and click Next. And since we've already downloaded the messages.zip file, we're going to click I've already downloaded my zip files from Facebook. And you should see the messages.zip file automatically populate in the list in this window because Decipher Messenger Export will look in your downloads folder for appropriate files. If not, you can click this button up top if you have the file put in a custom location that you want to select manually. But we're going to click the messages.zip file, and from there, we have different conversations that we can choose from to export a conversation. So I'm going to select a conversation, and from here, there are some different knobs and levers that you can turn to adjust your export settings. Most of the default settings are appropriate for most people, but if you want to do things like have 2 columns in the PDF file generated to save a little bit of paper, there's options like that there. A very popular option is to click Export Conversations limited to a date and time range. So if you need to adjust just the messages in a certain time window, you can click this option to narrow down the window of time that you want to export the messages from. Once you've set everything in this window, and again, the default options are appropriate for most people, you click Next to do the export. Once the PDF export finishes, you will get a window open with the PDF file and the attachments that are appropriate for that PDF file. I hope this little tutorial video has been helpful to show you how to make a PDF for printing your Facebook Messenger end-to-end encrypted conversations.